Hello everyone, welcome back to Infinity Physics. In the last lecture we had a discussion about mirror formula. In this lecture we will discuss about magnification. So you are very familiar with the term magnification, right? That is, suppose you are using a magnifying lens to see this arrow. It is a small arrow and assume that its size is 2 centimeter, and with the help of the magnifying lens you try to see it and you have observed that it is magnified and you are observing it 6 centimeter long. So what is the original height of the object? HO, it is 2 centimeter, and you are seeing that the image in this magnifying glass is 6 centimeter. So directly you can say 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, that is the image is 3 times larger compared to the size of the object. So what is the magnification here? 3 times. So what is magnification? It is the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. So in the last case what we have seen, m is equals to, what was the height of the image? It is 6 centimeter. And what was the height of the object, original object? 2. So it is height here, height of the image, hi, here height of the object. So what is magnification? It is the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. So it is 6 by 2, it is 3. So we can say the image is 3 times larger compared to the size of the object. It is 3 times magnified. So here in case of a concave mirror we have seen that here is our object, right, and we are using rules here. One ray is parallel, after reflection it goes from the principal focus, and when the ray is incident at some angle on the pole, after reflection with the same angle it will move. So here these rays are meeting, and when they meet we get an image. But here you see that the size of the object is larger compared to the size of the image. So in this case we have seen the smaller image. See, when we are watching the planet are actually very larger, right? Similarly moon, seeing it with the help of a telescope, we are seeing its image. We are not seeing the original moon, we are seeing its image, and the image is smaller compared to the size of the original moon, right? So here we have the original object. Let's assume that the original size of the object is 6 centimeter for the assumption, right? And here hi, the size of the image, it is 2 centimeters. So in this case the original object is larger compared to the size of the image. So in this case what is the magnification? So here m is equals to, what is the size of the image? 2. What is the size of the object? 6. So it is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 means 0.33. So we can say that the image is 0.33 times magnified compared to the size of the object. This indicates that the image is smaller compared to the size of the object. That is, suppose in the case this is 10 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. So magnification is equals to size of image, height of image by height of object. So it is 1 by 2, or we can say 0.5. So the magnification is equals to 0.5 or 1 by 2 indicates the size of the image is half. That is 0.5 times. It is half of the size of the object, right? So magnification indicates how many times the image is larger or smaller compared to the size of the object. So we want to derive another equation for the spherical mirrors. So here in this picture you can see that this here it forms a triangle, here triangle ABP, that we have formed in the mirror formula. So here we have two triangle, one triangle is triangle ABP and another triangle is A-B-P. So in the mirror formula I have explained you that these two triangles are equal, and how they are equal. See here, this is 90 degree, right, and here also 90 degree. This angle and this angle are same. So this triangle and this triangle are same. Why? Because their two angles are same, and when two angles of a triangle are same, the third angle is also same. So we can take their ratio, we can take the ratio of these sides. So here AB, we can take the ratio A dash B dash by AB. The ratio of this side is equals to ratio of sides PB dash by PB, that I have explained you in the mirror formula. So if you don't know, please watch it again and see in your notes. So here what is A dash B dash? A dash B dash is equals to HI, size of the image, and AB is the size of the object. So I can write here A dash B dash by AB is equals to HI by HO. So here we have, from figure we can find two triangles, that is triangle ABP and triangle A dash B dash P are similar. So both sides we have to equate A dash B dash by AB. Here A dash B dash by AB is equals to PB dash by PB, these sides, right? So we have to equate the ratio that we have done in the mirror formula. So we get this equation number 1, that is A dash B dash by AB is equals to PB dash by PB. Now using sign convention, we know that A dash B dash is the inverted image that we have obtained, right? So it is the size of the image, but it is in the negative negative y direction, right? It is inverted, so height is minus hi. So minus hi is equals to height of the image, and AB is the height of the object, which stands like this. So we are putting this value. So here at minus hi is the height of the image, ho is the height of the object. And what is PB dash? PB dash is the image distance. Here you can see that PB dash is the image distance, and it is lying on the left of the mirror, so it is minus V. And what is PB? PB is the object distance, it is lying on the left, so it is minus U. So we can put that values directly, right? So here PB dash is equals to minus V and PB is equals to minus U. So we have to put all these values in equation 1. So here A dash B dash is minus HI, right? And AB, so here AB is equals to HO, height of the object, and PB dash is equals to minus V and PB is equals to minus U. So here minus minus plus, so we get our new equation minus HI by HO is equals to V by U. So if we take this minus sign this side, then we get HI by HO is equals to minus V by U. But what is HI by HO? That we have seen in the first slide, that HI by HO, this is HI by HO is the magnification, right? It is the formula of magnification. So instead of HI by HO, we can write M, that is the magnification. So M is equals to minus V by U, because HI by HO is equals to minus V by U. So instead of HI by HO, we can put M. So M is equals to minus V by U. So this formula is applicable for all types of mirror. So we have two formula. One, M is equals to HI by HO, and another formula we have minus V by U, right? Where minus V, that is V only. V is the image distance and U is the object distance. So remember these two formula, that will be helpful in solving the question related to mirror formula. Here I have listed some of the magnifications and type of the mirror. So in the table, please note down this table, it will be very helpful in solving the question. So whenever magnification is plus 1, the mirror is plane, and in the plane mirror we observe that the image is virtual, erect and of the same size. How it is possible? Let's understand it. Here we have an situation in which and a person is standing here. Let's assume that his height is 6 and his image, because here we have a plane mirror, right? So his image is here and it is also 6. We know that in the plane mirror the size, the height of the image and the height of the object are same. So we will use some simple term. M is equals to hi by h. Oh, this is our formula. What is hi? It is, see, above the principal axis, right? Here our origin. So it is above the principal axis. So here it is in the positive y and it is also in the positive y. So here plus 6, that is height of the image, by plus 6 height of the object. So it is plus 6 cancel, we get 1, that is plus 1, positive 1. So here the magnification is plus 1. And what is the nature? That we have already understood, right? The nature is virtual and erect. Virtual means it is behind the mirror and erect means it is upright, right? It is not inverted like this. So whenever you find the magnification is plus 1, right, the plus 1 indicates the plus, especially the plus sign indicates the image is virtual and erect and of the same size, because one time it is magnified. One time magnified means it is same. If it is 2 times magnified, then it is double. And what type of mirror it is? Plane mirror. Now minus 1 magnification. So let's solve another question here. Here I am having a concave mirror. So you know that, right? Whenever we place an object at the center of curvature, we get the image at the center of curvature again, right? Here the size of the image and size of the object are same. That is, if the size of the image is 6 and the size of this is the size of the object and it is above the principal axis in the positive y. So here plus 6, and size of the image, it is same as the object but in the negative y. So we can say here it is minus 6. So if you want to find the magnification, then height of the image. What is height of the image? Minus 6. What is height of the object? Plus 6. So 6 cancel, plus minus minus. So we get minus 1. It is 1 indicates the height of the image and the object is same. But minus sign indicates that the height, the image is real and inverted. Why real? See, in the first picture, the image here, the image is behind the mirror. So it is virtual. But mirror is here and we have obtained the image in the real world. That is, if we keep a screen here, then we can observe the image. So here we have obtained the image in the real world. So the image is real, same as the object. Magnification is 1. The object height and the image height is same. But it is real and inverted. So the minus sign indicates that the image is real and inverted. So here it was plus 1 because the image is virtual. For plus sign, image is virtual. 1 indicates size is same. Here minus 1 indicates the image is real and inverted, and 1 indicates same size, and that we can get in the case of a concave mirror. Remember, real image we can only get in case of a concave mirror. In case of convex mirror and plane mirror, we cannot obtain the real images. Remember, we can obtain, but it is for the higher level studies. In up to 10th class, we will not fall in detail, right? Here, again see here the magnification is negative. Negative means this. So whenever the magnification is negative, here also negative. So whenever the magnification is negative, the image is real. By seeing that, you can easily identify that the mirror is a concave mirror. So here concave, right? Similarly, so what is given here? The magnification is greater than 1 and negative. Let's again solve this question also. Here see. Here we have an object which is placed between center of curvature and focus. Let us assume that the height of the image is 3 centimeter, right? And height of the object, right? It is HO and it is lying in the positive y, right? So it is plus 3. And here let us assume that it is 6 centimeters. So height of the image is 6, but it is lying in the negative y, so we can say minus 6. So m is equals to height of image. What is height of image? Minus 6. What is height of object? Plus 3. So it is 2 times magnified, but we have to put here minus sign. So the magnification is minus 2. It is larger than 1. See, if we ignore the negative sign, the magnification is greater than 1, right? Greater than 1 indicates the image is larger compared to the size of the object, and negative sign indicates the image is real because we have obtained it on the screen, right? We have not obtained into the mirror, we have obtained on the screen and it was inverted. So negative sign indicates the image is real and inverted, and the magnification in this case is 2. So it is larger than 1, and whenever the magnification is larger than 1, greater than 1, we can say the image is magnified and the image is a concave mirror, right? Now here case number 4. So here magnification is less than 1, right? Less than 1 we can understood, right? But it is negative. Negative means it is real and inverted. Again, let's try to verify that case. Here in this case, right, the magnification, you can see that here we have a concave mirror and here is the object. So we have obtained the image here, right? The case number 2 in concave mirror, you can verify it. So here HO, height of the object, let us assume that it is 6 centimeter, and height of the image as it is lying downward, so let us assume that it is 2 centimeter, but it is minus 2. Why minus 2? Let's assume that it is 3, but minus 3. Why minus 3? Because it is lying in the negative y axis. So what is the magnification in this case? M is equals to HI by HO. HI is minus 3 and HO is plus 6. So it is 3 2's, it is 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is less than 1, that is it is minus 0.5. Here minus 3 by plus 6, so it is minus 0.5. So it is 0.5 is less than 1, and minus means negative, and it is inverted. See here, you can see it is inverted and can be obtained on screen. So whenever the magnification is negative, the image is real and inverted. So here the magnification is negative and the magnification is less than 1 and negative. Here magnification was greater than 1 and negative. So here it is less than 1, so we can say it is diminished, and the negative sign, minus sign, indicates the image is real and inverted, and which was a concave mirror. Now case number 5. Here the magnification is greater than 1 and positive. Remember, whenever the magnification is positive, the image is always virtual and erect, right? Positive, greater than less than 1 is the another thing, right? Whenever the magnification is positive, that is suppose plus 5 and minus 5. So here plus indicates the image is virtual and minus indicates the image is real. This quantity indicates it is diminished or magnified. Similarly, suppose I am having minus 0.5 and plus 0.5. So here it is indicates the image is diminished, that is smaller, but minus sign indicates it is real inverted and plus sign indicates it is virtual and erect. So here we have magnification greater than 1 and positive. Positive indicates the image is virtual and erect. So you are very familiar with the concave mirror, case number 6. So here whenever we placed our object in front of a concave mirror between pole and focus, right, that is the case number 6 of concave mirror. So we can obtain the image behind the mirror, that we see our face larger. So dentist also uses this mirror to see the teeth of patient. Similarly, shaving mirror. For shaving mirror we use the concave mirror, right? So when we place our face between pole and focus, we see the larger image which is virtual and erect because it is behind the mirror. Here is our mirror and the world behind the mirror is virtual world, it is not real. Let us assume that the height of this candle is HO, that is the height of the object. HO is equals to plus 2 because it is lying above the principal axis, and HI is equals to plus 4, that is it is lying above the principal axis and it is a virtual image. So M is equals to HI by HO, that is plus 4 by plus 2. So we will get plus 2, that is the image is 2 times magnified. See, 2 indicates the image is 2 times larger and plus indicates the image is virtual. So in this case the image is behind the mirror, right? So here we can verify this case, right? Case number 5. Now here case number 6. Here again the image is positive, right? So positive indicates virtual and negative indicates real and inverted, but the size of the image is less than 1. Less than 1 means it is lying between 0 and 1, right? So here it is positive and less than 1. So let us try to verify that also. So here in case of a convex mirror, wherever you place your object at very far distance, near or anywhere, in all these cases you will get your image behind the mirror, right? And behind the mirror are virtual and erect image. So for any of the case, let us assume that for case this at this position, when we are putting our object very far from the convex mirror, we will obtain our image near the focus. So let us assume that the height of the object is HO is equals to plus 6. Here you have obtained the image very smaller, right? So let us assume that HI is equals to, as it is lying above the principal axis, we assume that the height is 1, right? It is 1 centimeter, right? Or for our convenience, we write it as a 3 plus 3, right? It will be easy. So M is equals to height of image plus 3 by plus 6. So it is 1 by 2, that is 0.5 plus, that is plus 0.5. So plus 0.5. So 0.5 is less than 1 and is plus. So plus indicates it is virtual erect and it is behind the mirror. So if you have carefully understand this thing, it will be very easy for you to understand the numericals. So have a nice day, and next video I will add in few